All right, Alexa, are you ready for me to start?
You've got Kelly Brandt.
Oh, hey, Kel. Pat Isbell better be on there because she told me she would.
She's not on here yet.
Okay, so a word about eyebrows. We'll go with that. So Pat was here for a class yesterday, and she looked at me kind of like this. I said, Pat, what's wrong? And these eyebrows, I have hair there, but I draw them on, right? There was a complete third of my eyebrow missing. It was like a dotted line. It kind of started, and then there was a space, and then it completed. And she kind of looked at me odd, and then when I looked in the mirror, I saw I was missing a third of my eyebrow. And that is important to frame the face. They've got to have eyebrows on. Yes, I'm stalling. I do realize that. But I have been known that when I've been somewhere and I ran out of eyebrow pencil, but I had eyeliner pencil, I have had purple eyebrows. And if it's dark purple, who can tell, right? But you have to have the frame for the face. But when a third of one eyebrow is missing, yeah, Alexa saw it. She said it wasn't a good look.
It was not.
It was not a good look. What am I going to do, though? We looked, we had nothing here. I was going to use a friction pen, ladies. She said, don't use a friction pen. I thought if we had like a black one, or Sharpie. No, I'm not going to use a Sharpie. Oh, my God.
I thought you were trying to be trendy.
Oh, trendy. Yeah, me trendy, right. To go with a colored friction pen to color in the space in my eyebrow. I don't know. I should have brought one today just in case the same thing happened, but I didn't.
You've got Barbara Bush, Jenny Lunkin. You've got 5.
We've got 5 people, and hopefully some people join. I think a lot of people probably watch this, on the record, so which is good. All right, well, I'm gonna get started then. Good. Okay, so Ellesmere has another event. So last week we had Monsterific, which was a wonderful Viking event, and we made embroidered in the hoop stuffed monsters. They were really fun. I got to facilitate the class. So much fun. And they had crazy faces that you got to pick things on. It was wonderful, a lot of fun. And in keeping with that and keeping the fun moving forward, Margaret has another educator coming in, and that is Wendy Owens from Husqvarna. I found out it's Husqvarna, not Husqvarna. So Husqvarna, saying it correctly. And they're going to be making the fancy schmancy ornament balls. So Alexa, I believe you have a picture over my right shoulder. Mm-hmm. And there we go. Okay, so why, right? So this is the scoop. These fancy ornament balls are made with Dupani silk, and you're going to be using a lot of the decorative stitches and trims to make the ornament balls. And you're going to be doing this in embroidery and in sewing. So I think this is going to be good. The balls are pretty, but it's learning the techniques and learning how to work with those different types of fabrics and to have the project turn out well. And that's where let's try again. That's where Wendy's strength is. So we're kind of looking forward to that. That, I believe, is the end of April. I'm looking at Alexis. I believe it's 25th, 26th of April.
Yes.
Unless that changes. Oh, yeah, it says April 25th and 26th. That's a Tuesday, Wednesday in the Ellesmere Clubhouse. So think about joining us for that. Moving on to Tri-County. Of course, this Saturday is Sit and Sew, and I will be here. Please bring your projects, your machine, your enthusiasm, and come and join me for a fun day on Friday to finish up projects, start projects, whatever you want to do. I'll be here. And Cheryl and Pat, I'm expecting both of you to come. I'll look forward to seeing you then. Sit and Sew, that's this Saturday. Wednesday, March 8th, that's next Wednesday, a week from today. I love teaching this. This is so pretty. Okay, Lex, do you have the picture queued up over my right shoulder?
Mm-hmm. She does.
Where is it? Okay, good. This is the In the Hoop scissors case. This is an embroidery project, and it is lovely. Now, you can see back here, this is the traditional colors. So you've got the white on white, the black on black, and then the different appliques. To me, it almost looks like a Turkish rug. And then you get to use all your beautiful embroidery thread. So it's a lot of fun to make. I made mine a little bit differently just to give you an idea of some variations. I still went with the white and black, but I went with the warm color scheme. Okay, so I chose the oranges and the peaches and the strawberry. And then here I went with a metallic copper thread. Why? Because I could, right? We've got choices. I thought it was fun. It's a nice zipper case. The other thing that's fun is to learn how the machine will put the zipper in, and it's fully lined. No raw edges, front, back, lining, everything. And then, of course, there is detail along the zipper And then if you would like, you can do a fancy, cute little zipper pull, which I think is fun. So please join me for this. I think I've got a couple openings. Okay. A says that I've got a couple of openings. So call today or tomorrow morning and get on this class. There will be a list of materials to bring. I typed all that up this afternoon and gave it to Alexis. So she's going to put that out tomorrow. Probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's not a whole lot to bring. It's going to be your white fabric, your black, scraps for the applique, some batting, and then, of course, the colors of thread that make your heart sing. All right, so please sign up for this. It's going to be a lot of fun, I promise. Okay, next, rope bowls. So you know that I've taught the rope bowl class, and that was back in February. All right, and we have an encore class, which is March 11th, and then an encore of an encore class, which is April 8th. Now, you're sad that you might miss this opportunity? Call in, get on the wait list, because if I have enough folks, Alexis will let me teach it again. It's okay. I want to show you a couple things that I've done. I don't know that I showed these samples last time. Did I show the heart shape one?
I don't think so.
I don't have it made. Okay,
No.
So look at this. Isn't this cute? So this is a rope bowl, and the rope comes from a really fancy store. Now, take a breath. I know. It comes from the Walmart. Okay? So, very, very cute. It's got the heart shape. You can see the heart down in the center. That was fun. The other thing that we'll be talking about is you can embroider in the bottom of your bowls. So this is real pretty. This one's going to go to my mom. Made another. I love this one.
That's pretty.
And this is representative of what we'll be doing in class. Okay, now you won't be embroidering, okay? But I'm going to tell you the technique how to do it. So we'll learn how to do that. So mine's embroidered, but we're going to be doing a nice big bowl like this, building it up the sides, using the fabric wrapped rope, learning how to do the handles, and then how to finish the bowl with a snail. Okay, so this is representative of what we're doing in the class. Now, when you go to classes, you hope to finish your project, right? Okay, you're going to finish 2 projects in this class. We're going to make that big bowl I showed you. Then we're going to make a bread bowl. 2 projects. And it includes a book. So this is going to be fabulous. Call in, get a spot. Why? Because I want to teach it again. This is fun. I've got more rope at home that I'm going to be making some more projects. Join me. Okay, so that's rope bowl class. Another class that I'll be teaching is the decorative stitch bag, and it's up here. Oh, you changed the picture out. Oh, good. Oh, no, you didn't hit that
No,
one. Okay.
I had that one.
Okay, good. So this is a multi-stitch bag. This is a lot of fun. A couple things that I like about it. You pick a beautiful printed fabric. Now, I love floral, so I picked a floral. That sets your palette for the threads that you use for the decorative stitches. And then the decorative stitches, this is an opportunity for you to use all the stitches on your sewing machine. They're all there. We like them, but do we use them? Typically not. This is a great opportunity to use them. We'll be doing that. The supply list was just submitted to Alexis today. She'll be sending that out tomorrow or the next day. Okay. The other thing I like about this, with this, we've got a zipper on the side, and of course it's lined with that same feature fabric. And we use a fancy colored zipper. And across the top, I'm using another zipper, and that gives me access to the bag. And of course it's lined with the same feature fabric, no raw edges. Okay, so this is a lot of fun. You can see all the stitches match up. And of course, it's boxed at the bottom to give you a little more space. So this is a multi-stitch bag. And it is, I'm looking at the date now, hold on. Oh, it is March 15th. So call in. If the class is full, please get on the wait list, because I'd like to teach the same class again, because there are more of you out there that want to have access to do some of these fun classes. And this is going to be nifty because of the stitches. Got some hints and tricks to tell you about that, okay? Oh, also, I made a second one, and I made this one more to go through the steps on how to embed the zipper on an angle. And this one I did without the stitches. We're doing the one with the stitches in class. I just made this because I kind of like the look of the bag with that angle. And of course, it's the same thing with the other fabric that's lined. So, and then it's embroidered up here at the top. The reason I bring this up is once you know how to make this bag, and it doesn't take very long, you can embroider anything you like. Down here, up here. It's just a fun bag that looks good. And we're also going to be doing that fun zipper pull. Okay, we're with beads. We're going to be doing that as part of the class too. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. All right. And now, a word from our resident Kimber Bella. I'm going to exit stage left. Are you sure that was left?
It was.
Oh,
At
was
stage
it?
left.
Okay, okay.
You go to the right. That's why it's called stage left.
Okay, so coming up on Saturday, the 18th of March, is a Kimber Bell Sit and Sew. So if you've got some unfinished Kimber Bell projects, and some of you that may have been at the most recent My Punny Valentine event may want to come in and finish up some of the projects from that. I'd be happy to see you. Give us a call, get a reservation to be here. It's from 11 to 3 on Saturday, the 18th, and that's free. For those of you that have signed up for the monthly Kimber Bell Zoom, the March the March design are these cute little silhouette bunnies, and they're 2 sizes of this mug rug. And it stitches out, says Happy Easter on it. So look forward to seeing you on that Zoom. And even if you can't join us on the Zoom live, we do record it. So if you want to sign up but can't join the Zoom line, we still send you the recording after the fact. So you still get the class regardless of whether you can sign in or not. So I'm going to give you a preview of a couple things we're doing in April. The monthly Zoom for the month of April is this little flower cart. And so that will be the design that will be coming up in April. And we also have, we're going to do a Kimber Bell event. Excuse me, I'm exiting from the screen for a second.
She went stage right.
We're going to do the Kimber Bell brand new one-day event, Spoonful of Sunshine. Does that show up on the screen? Mm-hmm. Okay. And there's going to be a couple interesting techniques with the towel and the apron, and it's brand new blank for the apron with yellow stripes on it. It'll be just right with the theme of Spoonful of Sunshine. So I'm looking forward to that. We do need signups for that by probably no later than the first week of April, because it takes a couple weeks for the kits to get in here, and we want to make sure we have enough kits for everybody that signs up. So please, please, please make your reservation for that event early. And that's it for me, I think. Yeah.
Are you exiting
I'm
stage
exiting.
right?
I'm exiting. Come back in.
She was afraid to go the right or left. It's okay. All right. So that's all of our Kimber Bell news. And next thing we have is a Quilt As You Go table runner, which this is an example of it up here on the big board, aka our television, right? And this is going to be taught by Cindy. And this is Cindy's first class, so please come and support her and join her. This would be a fun thing to do. And her sample she made with some Xavier fabric, much to the chagrin of Alexis. Alexis is not a fan. She wanted UC fabric, but oh well. But I think what you see by looking at this and the one on the television is that you can do it in any flavor of color that you want or any season. It's Quilt As You Go, and then you put the binding on and you're ready to go. So I think that would be kind of fun. And Alexis just gave me the motion to sit. I say, so come and support Cindy. I think you would like this class. And the cost on this class is
$29.95.
$29.95, a good value. Does that include lunch?
It does.
It does include lunch. All right, good. All right, then we also have March, and that was March 24th. I know I didn't say the date. That was my bad. March 24th for the table runner with Cindy. March 31st is a free motion quilted zipper bag, and this is with Anne. Is it appearing above my left shoulder? Actually, my right shoulder. Okay, good. So this is Anne's free motion zipper bag. The thing that's fun about that is look at her free motion quilting, how it complements the fabric and the geometric shapes in the fabric. I think that's a lot of fun. So the key on that would be choosing a good fabric so you can show off your free motion skills, blend it in, and make a cute little bag. And again, this looks like something that would be a great gift. So that is with Anne. And that is Friday, March 31st. And I think what you see is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different events in March. That's a lot of momentum. We're going to try to keep that rolling into April. Alexis and I, as I said, we're talking about some ideas for April on things that come up. If you have ideas, please let us know. If you come across something or an idea you want to explore, we're more than happy to do that for you and host a class here. So that'd be good. All right. Anything else, Alex? She's shaking her head.
Somebody coming in the door.
All right. Till next time, it's Brenda with Luke's.